The Geneva Organ Company was an American manufacturer of pipe organs. During the age of silent films, the company was a small but notable maker of theater organs. It produced organs under various names, including Geneva Organs, Smith-Unit Organs, and Smith-Geneva Organs.Some Geneva organs that still exist in public venues include a 2-manual organ at the Palace Theatre in Luverne, Minnesota, and a 3-manual organ at the Arcadia Theatre in Chicago. References. External links. Theater organ history 1. Additional info 2.